Hello friends, I'm Bob. In this video I will show you how to find the derivative of the function at x is equals to a certain value using the Ti-84 plus C Silver Edition graphics calculator. And this can also be applied to other calculators as well. And if you guys like this video, help me press the thumbs up icon below this video. We are going to find the derivative of the function 2 to the power of sine x at x is equals to pi over 2. So the first step of doing so is in the graphics calculator we click on this alpha button, then we click on this Windows button, which brings you to this page showing all the different options. And from here we have to do is to click on number 3, which is n deriv bracket. And after which we will see this derivative. All you have to do is within this space you insert x, and this space itself you insert the function given. In this particular case is 2 to the power of sine x. So 2 to the power of sine x. Now once you key in the function, you specify what is the value in which you want to evaluate the gradient of the function. And for this particular case, my x is equivalent to pi over 2. But before I key in this particular value, I have to make sure that my graphics calculator is set in a radian mode. So how do I know is that I can click on mode, and then it tells you in the fourth line whether your graphics calculator is set to a radian or degree mode. So for this particular case, it is set to the radian mode, so I do not need to do anything. So I quit and go back to this equation. So now I can just simply insert pi over 2 into the space down here, divided by 2, and then you press equal, and hence this value gives you the derivative of the function at x is equals to 0. If you guys like this tutorial, help me press the thumbs up icon and do consider to subscribe for more of this Ti-84 graphics calculator help. My name is Bob. Thank you guys for the support, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.